Hi everyone, this is Guru Murthy from Mechanical Department. Today I am going to explain classification of machining based on nature of energy. Based on nature of energy, machining is classified as mechanical machining, thermal machining, chemical machining, electrical machining, ultrasonic machining, and last one is abrasive machining. Let's see one by one. Very first one is mechanical machining. In this, the energy is applied through the mechanical action of cutting tools such as turning, milling, drilling, etc. So, mechanical machining refers to the process of removing the material from workpiece using cutting, drilling, milling, turning, grinding, and other similar process. So the aim of mechanical machining is to shape the workpiece to a desired size, shape, and surface finish. And mechanical machining is used in a wide range of industries such as automotive, aerospace, medical, and manufacturing industries. So the type of machining process used depends on the material being machined. So this decide end results and the efficiency of the process. And the second classification is thermal machining. So observe the picture. Here the energy is applied through heat such as in thermal cutting process like laser, plasma, oxyfuel, etc. First one is laser cutting. This involves using a high-powered laser beam to melt or vaporize material from the workpiece. This is particularly used for the cutting intricate shapes and patterns into the metals, woods, plastic, and other materials. Plasma cutting. This involves using a plasma torch to heat and melt the material, which is then bound away by a high velocity jet of gas. It is commonly used in industrial applications for cutting through thick metal sheets. Okay. Oxyfuel cutting. This involves using a fuel gas and oxygen flames to heat and melt the material, which is then blown away by a stream of oxygen. And also it is commonly used in industrial applications for cutting through thick steel and other material. And also the water cutting also. This involves using a high pressure jet of water and abrasive particles to erode the material from the workpiece. It is particularly useful for cutting through thick material and producing very precious cuts. That's about the picture and the thermal machining. This is widely used in industries. And the third one is mechanical machining. Here the energy is applied through mechanical reactions such as in chemical etching or electrochemical machining. And chemical machining, also known as a chemical etching or chemical milling, is a non-traditional machining process that involves the selective removal of a material from a workpiece by exposing it to chemical reagent or etchant. This process is commonly used to produce complex shape and patterns on thin metal sheet or foils. And fourth one is electrical machining. The energy is applied through an electrical discharge, such as in electrical discharge machining, that is EDM, electro beam machining. That electrical discharge machining, that is EDM, in this process, which involves using a series of high frequency electrical discharges between an electrode that is typically made up of a copper or graphite, and the workpiece to remove material through a process of localized melting and vaporization. Helium is commonly used for producing small intricate features in hard and tough materials such as aerospace alloy, medical implants, and models for plastic injections moldings. Next, very important, this is ultrasonic machining. In this, the energy is applied. If you observe the picture, the energy is applied to the vibration of the ultrasonic waves, such as in ultrasonic machining or ultrasonic cutting. The ultrasonic vibration of the tool create high frequency pressure waves that causes the abrasive slurry to impact the workpiece at high velocity, effectively remove material from the surface. So the process is typically used for precision making of hard and brittle material such as ceramics, glass, hardened metals, etc. That's what the picture says, and this is widely used. Then abrasive machining. In this, the energy is applied through the abrasive action of a grinding or polishing tools such as in grinding, honoring, or lapping. This is about the abrasive machining. Thank you.